Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to use Midjourney. Basically Midjourney is same as like DALL-E 2, but it is much more impressive than DALL-E. So we can simply make images by giving text. By this facility most of members depending on the Midjourney, in my words Midjourney so better than any other text-to-image platforms. So today I am here to explain that how to use this most widely used Midjourney tool. Before going to start about Midjourney, you must install the Discord. Discord is also like a WhatsApp, but it only contains server groups where the most of the persons were discussing about some either topic. So, to use Midjourney we need install Discord and sign up with your details. After sign up, open the browser you have, and search this link in your search bar or otherwise the link is in description, click on it. And join the Midjourney server. All you need to do here is to go to any of the newbies, and type /imagine and use keywords what actually you want to generate, and at end of keywords use resolution you need and also use --v space 4, which gives the best result, and also the --ar which uses for aspect ratio for your image, and hit enter, and now wait for some time. And there we go, here's the result which looks pretty good, and here the U stand for upscale which means it gives the high resolution, whereas V stand for version, if you like the version, and it creates the more like that, and that's it guys, here you can save the image. Hence, we can simply create any image within seconds. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to support our channel, and that's it, take care, see you in next video.